Hello everyone and welcome back to Can Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impressa S9 espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up and we also replaced the water pump, the one that is located on the back of the machine. Now when we were testing this machine we noticed that the board was not fully discharging, the brew unit was not fully discharging, but it was still doing coffee and doing other functions of the machine properly fine. So now we're going to be testing it. So right now we're starting with empty tray, as you can see right there. No box or anything, everything's dry. And now we're gonna be doing a couple of espresso shots. We're gonna do the first one right here. There you go. One espresso extra strong. It's gonna do pre-infusion. And then it's gonna do extraction, and as you see there, nice gentle stream coming out of the spouts. Really good color. Great quantity as well. Now we're gonna be doing a couple of those. And after that, we're going to be doing a little bit of hot water and then steam. And then we're going to be checking the tray. Again, pre-infusion. And now extraction. And again, excellent color. Really good flow. And the same quantity of water. Now we're doing another one again. Nice steady stream and really good color. Now we get to see the tray. This is all the water that you have. This is the packs over here. Around 2 ounces of water in there. Now we're testing the hot water. Steady stream coming out of the machine, looking great too. And now we'll test the steamer. Now as you can see, steady steam comes out of the machine. Really good pressure. Working excellent. Working great. Working excellent, no drips or anything. Great. So there you have it, Jura Impressa S9 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for playing Can Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.